Hello everyone, I am Dr. Samir Aire. I am a board certified cosmetic, plastic and hair transplant surgeon, and I am the director of Evolve Cosmetic Clinic. Hair transplantation is a multidimensional forte that requires information of certain therapeutic controls including hereditary qualities, endocrinology, dermatology and medical procedures. So this video is for those doctors, clinics, hospitals who want to learn and start hair transplant facility at their setup and become an expert leading in providing hair transplant restoration services at their setup. Our faculty includes plastic, hair transplant surgeon, dermatologist, anesthesiologist, and hair research team. I am associated with hair transplant training since 2017 and Dr. Dinesh Goye, who has been associated in DHI in the past. We are based in Mumbai and Goa in India and Middle East and Africa. Evolve Cosmetic Academy has characterized the center's abilities required for a specialist 2 years hair transplantation, and we have constructed the program in light of similar standards. Our hair transplantation preparing program means to give our doctors the aptitude to counsel and prompt patients on the dangers and advantages of hair transplant strategy. We have a comprehensive curriculum describing how your training program covers all essential aspects of hair transplant techniques, including both the theoretical knowledge and practical skills with unique or advanced techniques. We give you a complete hands-on experience, emphasizing the practical training provided during the program. We discuss the opportunities for trainees to observe and participate in hair transplant procedures under the expert guidance of our experienced surgeons. Evolve Cosmetic Academy provides training courses by both FUT and FUE techniques in India at par with international standards. Located in Mumbai and Goa, India, we do cater to interested aspirants from India as well as abroad. Since hair transplant is a very precise surgical procedure, it includes proper selection, planning, and procedure done under magnification. Good skills so that you need certain number of hands-on in hair transplant training to deliver the best results. Evolve Cosmetic Academy offers comprehensive and hands-on training in the following courses: hair transplantation and advanced and expert courses, and a basic and advanced dermatosurgery, aesthetics and laser course. We teach you the basics starting from anatomy, history taking, examination, patient selection, investigation, planning, procedure and post-op care. All you need to know before starting hair transplant practice. We teach you manual and motorized extraction by FUE and strip FUT method, and implantation with slip method, single and double forceps technique, pen implanter, chow method, direct hair implantation, and sapphire hair transplant. We teach you how to use magnification as hair follicles are like flowers or pearls, which are to be carefully handled and preserved so that they survive and give you the best results. Although hair transplant is an elective and safe procedure, you should follow all the protocols needed to undergo any surgery, like proper certification, well-equipped OT setup, trained staff, and having all emergency medications, and to be prepared for medical emergencies. Hair transplant is a science and art, and you have to be skillful to deliver the best results, and that only comes with learning and training yourself in the art. Why choose Evolve Cosmetic Academy is the way in which we train you so that you can start doing your procedures the very next day with proper setup and skills. We help you in diagnosing the patient alopecia and the treatment needed, like whether patient will need only hair transplant and or medications or any other form of treatment, so as to avoid patients in which you can expect less results and complications. We tell you what tests to suggest if you are planning a hair transplant procedure. We teach you how to do hairline designing. We have laser hairline device with us, which helps us in making exact hairline designing. Also, we design the hairline according to the face, and for that only a specialist in facial surgery can teach you this. And who is a better person to teach you facial aesthetics than a plastic surgeon? We teach you how to extract from different donor area, like donor area planning, how many grafts to be extracted, like we do extract one hair, leave 2 grafts behind. We do mark 1 centimeter area in the donor area and extract more from strong areas and leave the weak area, so that back of your scalp is also strong and there is no see-through. We teach you how to make slits, like the depth in the scalp, the direction of the slit, how much should be the gap between the slit, so that it translates into the best density. Everybody will teach you in bald area, but nobody will teach you how to implant in an area where there is hair but it's weak. And how do you strengthen this area? We teach you how to implant with different methods like forceps, pin, specialized implanters. How deep to put the grafts in particular area and the direction. Like in temporal area, you are supposed to implant with 15 to 20-degree angle. Many people who do hair transplant have artificial appearance because of the implantation, and we precisely help you to avoid all such complications and deliver the best results. We will tell you how to preserve grafts, what culture medium to use, and how you can increase the survival of graft so that your survival rates and the results are the best. You will be exposed to different types of punches like the trumpet, round, blunt, serrated, sharp, and all the important punches. You will be exposed to the aftercare, the dressings, medicines which are needed after hair transplant. We teach you different kinds of PRP and the growth factor incorporated PRP. So our training includes everything: the anatomy, physiology, pathology, medicine, and the surgical part. Finally, we help you in establishing your clinic and starting your own successful hair transplant practice. So it's a complete 360-degree training in which you are trained from A to Z of hair transplant, learning, establishing your own clinic, building a brand, how to do marketing, understand YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and our team will help you in starting your own hair transplant practice. All the best, doctors, and please call or WhatsApp on the below number for more details to start your own hair transplant practice at your own place. Wishing you all the great success in hair restoration.